Welcome to the official launch of the Level Up course. It's here. You can officially pre-order the Level Up course today. And in this video, I am going to give you all the details you need to know about the course. As if I haven't given you a ton of details and information already, I am going to give you all the final details today. But first, I wanted to start with a little bit of a backstory on how we got here. So the first thing is, over a year ago, I started studying successful people in our Black culture because I was curious myself as to how were they doing this? Why is this person such a good interviewer? Why is this person so funny? Why is this person so successful? I was curious myself and I couldn't find any videos on YouTube to give me the information. So I just started looking and studying and searching myself. Once I started doing my own research, I created this series, Culture Breakdown, and I've been doing it over a year now. With that being said, I noticed there was a lot of principles and themes that were reoccurring, and it got my brain to start spinning. I started wondering, what exactly does it take to get to that person's position? Whoever it may be. How do I get to that position? And then it dawned on me, I needed to create a course that had all the necessary tools for somebody to be successful. So that's how I came up with the Level Up course. So here are the full course details. 21 principles, 21 days, 3 different categories. Those categories are mentality, execution, and sustainability. These principles aren't just daily doses of motivation. They are steps. Concrete steps on how you, yes, you can take your life to the next level. And when I say the next level, I legitimately mean whatever you do. If you are a creator, a YouTuber, an entrepreneur, a salesperson, an actor, whatever it is that you do in your field, these are legitimate steps on how you can improve your career path. And I know you could be thinking like, Jamal, well, how do you know that? How does it translate to all different fields? And that is because I took these principles from successful people from all genres of life. Comedians, athletes, TV hosts, whatever it is, I got those principles from these people. And what I realized is whatever your definition of success is, it has a tangible guideline. And this course is a comprehensive version of that guideline. So yes, this is an easy to follow guideline to success. So we are talking about 21 days, 21 principles. There are 33 modules in there so far, and there will be more added to it. But right now, y'all ready for the price? Right now, the price of this course is $21. Now, I know you're thinking, why? Why is it so affordable? And the reason why is because I wanted to create a product that the value in it far exceeded the value of it. And I wanted to make sure that it was a no-brainer, absolutely yes, click add to cart for anybody. This is the type of course that you need to change your life. And I promise you, once you get the course, you start the course, you will want to share with every single friend and family member that you know. Listen to me. I get it. I understand the price is mind-blowing. The value is tremendous. But you have to go get your pre-order now. Like I feel like an infomercial, but like literally, like limited time. Go get the pre-order today and let's pump this thing up. Share it on all social media sites. Once you purchase it, tag me on social media. We're going to get hype about this thing together. And I'm excited. If you can't tell, this is my first paid product, but I am so excited to offer this to you guys because of the tremendous value that I've already seen it add to people's lives. Like, this is a great course, guys. And I don't mean to like toot my own horn, but I promise you this is a great course. So please go get your pre-order right now. But enough about me talking about the course. Let's look at some testimonies of people that have already gone through the course.
Hello, my name is Michelle Borden and I just completed the Level Up course. And let me tell you, it is definitely a course and a program that I suggest to anyone that wants to take their life or career, whatever it may be, to the next level. I'll share with you that I am a career woman, I am a mother, I am a wife, so you can imagine how busy I am. I'm just trying to juggle out my everyday, day-to-day things. But what I loved about this course is that it allowed me to integrate this into my already busy schedule without taking too much time, but gave me so much value. It's 21 days, maybe took about 5 minutes a day, and that was it. I did it in the morning. It gave me an extra pep in my step to get my day going, and it actually fueled me the rest of the day. And every day when I completed one, I was very excited to see what the next day held. I love the course itself because it really dug deeper into principles, most of what I already do, but it made me think a little bit deeper, maybe think outside the box, or maybe just spend a whole day just focusing on that one principle, which was huge because it allowed me to grow, right, and expand myself. And another thing is that he used examples of individuals that I know and that I admire and that I look up to, that are role models. And not only did he do that, but he also explained the importance of every principle, but also told you what this principle did for you, right? And then gave you just a little homework, right? A little nugget for you to take with you that day to implement it and start integrate it in your daily life, is the best way that I can put it. But this was a course that gave you so much in such little time, which is great for someone like me that's always running, like a chicken without her head, trying to do everything she can to get to feel complete in her day. So again, I strongly recommend it. It's a program that by the time you look, you're already done with it, and now you're looking for, okay, what's next? So it was well put together. You can tell a lot of research and a lot of dedication was put into this, and I hope that you get as much out of it as I did.
Hey guys, this is Cami Smith. Quick shout out to Jamal Nolan for your course. Man, you rocked it. Level Up course, I highly recommend it. Mentality, execution, sustainability. Dude, I was motivated, I was inspired, and I intend to listen to that thing over and over again. So hopefully my code doesn't expire. Anyway, I appreciate you making the commitment to complete this course and to share these nuggets with the people. If you have not enrolled and registered for the course Level Up, I highly recommend it. Cami Smith, be unlocked. Take care.
See, you don't have to take my word for it. You can just listen to those individuals that have already dove into the course and have gotten out tremendous value from it. So here's the plan. Today, the link is available down below in the comment section, down below in the description box. You can also find me on Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. The course will literally be available everywhere for you. And if you have any questions, please hit me up, let me know. But the plan is the course is going to be on pre-sale. I highly urge you to take the course now at the $21 mark because I don't know, it may increase. And the reason why it may increase is because I know the value of this course. So I'm offering it to you guys at a premium now because in 2 weeks or whatever, the course could go up. But the course will start, official day one course day will start January 1st. So get your pre-order today, and then we can all take the Level Up course starting the brand new year 2021. So I appreciate you guys watching this week's episode. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, be sure to go get your pre-order for the Level Up course right now. Then once you make your purchase, tag me on all social medias. We are going to experience this thing together, and then we're going to get rolling with the course, and we're all going to level up at the top of the year. And until next week, I'm out.